Welcome to our national adventure. Today we're over at Poole's Mill Bridge. Poole's Mill is a 10-acre property that showcases an awesome covered bridge. But just off the property parking, you're going to see an incredible park. It's got slides, swings, everything. And on your way down the trail to Poole's Mill Bridge, this bridge is going to take you over to the rock slides, which is probably why you're here. In 1820, a Cherokee chief, George Welch, constructed a grits mill, a sawmill, and just a simple open bridge at this site. But then in 1901, they constructed this wooden covered bridge that now sits over the crossing of Settendown Creek in Forts County, Georgia. If you're coming to go down the rock slides at Poole's Mill Park, make sure to wear an old swimsuit or one that you don't mind getting messed up. While the rocks are smooth, it's a lot of wear and tear on them. Also bring a chair or blanket to sit on. There are some sandy places to sit if you want to relax, but there's none to sit on. So pack a bag of blankets or carry some folding chairs. Poole's Mill is completely free to enjoy, and there's so much entertainment without having to open your wallet, and a little something for everybody. It's got playgrounds, swings, they've got a river, picnic tables, and of course the rock slides. They've got a pavilion available if you need to reserve it, although if not reserved, it can get a little crowded. Picnic tables down by the river make for an awesome picnic setting. Grills are available for use, just make sure to bring your own charcoal and supplies. Whatever you carry in, carry it back out. It's a beautiful area of Forts County, and people travel just to come to enjoy it, so keep it clean. You might want to also consider bringing an inflatable tube to lounge in the river. Kiara had asked me to make sure to bring one next time we come.
Next time we come here, we should probably get one of those tubes so I can lay in one.
While there is some good shade throughout the park, there is little to none afternoon shade on the playground, so just be prepared.
You guys like it?